perhaps our strategies in this respect are somewhat different. We do believe in providing options to customers from what they have today on premises all the way to the cloud. The forces that both of us, I think, in this is seeing of people who want to move to the cloud are real. I mean, people really want to move to the cloud. They want the advantages of multi-tenancy, high sharing, agility, lower cost, and so forth. The question, though, is that do we go tell them this is it, move to the cloud as is, everything one shot, or do we work with you? So our priority, frankly, is to provide the options, the choices, and work with them, and learn from them, with them, by the way, of how to take IT as we know it and transform it. And power transformation will be partly private clouds, partly sort of dedicated partial hybrid clouds and the like, and many large public clouds. So in that sense, we are transforming our business in many ways, and they are transforming their business. And there are implications to both of us, the business model, licensing, and so forth.
You have questions?
So I don't think, first of all, I don't think deep and broad are actually in this case in conflict with each other. This is no longer a time. Cloud means something else. It's namely there's no long-term commitment by any of our customers. So winning a customer to get into the cloud is something. It's also they can walk away anytime they want. So this suddenly brings a very different interaction with your customer. We as providers have to continuously, tiptoe, make sure that we provide the absolute best service. We see a completely different model arriving in how our customers are using IT. Instead of this very long-term relationship with one particular vendor for maybe 10 years, here you'll see that our customers will be continuously evaluating the services that they're using, and they will swap services in and out if you do not meet their needs. So I think for us it's really important to execute on the things that are really important. Reliability, security, availability, all the operational excellence points, and continuously innovate. Because this is disruptive. It's not a matter of can we provide exactly the same services that enterprise IT had 20 years ago. Because remember, most of enterprise IT has their roots in end of the 80s, early 90s. And many of enterprises are still there. There's large pieces that still have to move. So in that sense, just trying to meet the goals of 1980s software is not the goal of the cloud at this moment. It's to drive forward and to think about 21st century architectures and help our customers, and with us lots of partners, whether they're SIs or whether ISVs, to help them have the right tools so they can bring their customers on.